Here is how you can create these trending Happy New Year images for free using the Bing image generator. Without further ado, let's dive straight in. First things first, you should be signed into your Bing account, either the app or the website. So for this tutorial, we're going to be using the app on my phone. So a video on how to create account on Bing is included in the description of this video. Check it out if you don't have an account. So once you are in this interface, tap on create image from words. Then you are going to be redirected to this same interface as the one on your website if you're using the website. Then here you can input the prompt to create the images. So let me just show you the prompt I used to create this image. So as you can see here, create a realistic image of an African woman wearing a Ghanaian shirt and a Ghanaian hairband. That is why she has an hairband on her head, with Happy New Year 2024 shown written on the poster above the roadside, with balloons, chandeliers, holographic picture with high quality detail photo. So this is the prompt I use, and that is what brought out this image for me. So depending on what you want, that is how you can modify this prompt. I actually modified it to create different images of different people in different countries. So as you can see here, I created the one of Kenya, I created the one of Canada, I created the one of Nigeria and all that. So we are going to go ahead right now and modify this prompt to create something different from the ones I've created before. So as you can see here, I said it to create a realistic image of an African woman. So if you want to create an image of another country that you don't want it to be an African person, then you don't need to put an African person, or else it will generate an African person for you. So let's just quickly modify this a bit right now. Let's say create an image of let's edit that Ghanaian parts first. Create a realistic image of an African woman wearing an Egyptian shirt and holding there's an hairband here. Let me just edit it away. No need for hairband. An Egyptian shirt holding the national flag of Egypt. Happy New Year 2024 will be shown, blah blah blah. Now let's add something extra here. I don't want the same type of image, so let's just say she should not be wearing a shirt with flowery pattern. Should the shirt have flowery pattern? Let's just say Egyptian gown, not shirt. I hope you get the gist. You get what I'm trying to say. You don't need to input this exact same thing, just anything you can think of. A flowing gown with flowery pattern on it. Happy New Year 2024. So we can then tap on create if we are okay with this. Okay, so I'm editing the other side. A poster beside the road, not above the road. No need for balloon. Let's say flowers, flower petals. Okay, then we tap on create, and let's see what it's going to generate for us. So it's creating our image right now, and this is what we have. Wow, this is beautiful and well, quite different from the previous one. So this is great. Let's just see. Awesome. So this is the first image amongst the others that is generated. We can download this if we want by tapping on the three dots at the right hand side of your screen on your phone or your PC. So once you download it, you have it on your phone, you can use it anytime. And if you don't like this one, just proceed to check the next one, anyone you like. Wow, this is really beautiful. So this is just how you can prompt these images. So go ahead and create yours. I can't see what you will create. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next.